Holy Clothing Reviews is legit or scam? Holy Clothing Reviews is legit or scam? If you're looking for trendy clothing online, Holy Clothing may have come up in your search. But is it a trustworthy store, or is it potentially a scam? Most people get this wrong by judging legitimacy based on professional-looking websites alone. The surprising truth is that Holy Clothing sells fast fashion items at affordable prices. Customer reviews are mixed. Many shoppers receive products that match photos and sizing charts, while others report late deliveries, missing items, or fabric quality not meeting expectations. You won't believe what happens next. Secure payment methods are crucial. Always verify that the site uses encryption and read the return or exchange policies thoroughly. Starting with a small order is a smart way to test reliability before committing to bigger purchases. In conclusion, Holy Clothing is not a clear scam, but it's not risk-free. It's a viable option for budget-friendly, trendy pieces if you set realistic expectations and take safety precautions while ordering. Track your shipments and be prepared for potential delays to ensure a smooth shopping experience.